I have 5 packages that came in the mail. I'm going to open them up, see what I got, and talk to you about them coming up. First up is this tiny little package that came all the way from China. So let's see what's in here. Okay, this is a AA battery holder. Put a AA battery in like that. Holds it in place. A few weeks ago I bought these PZM microphones. At some point somebody modified these 2 PZM microphones to run off of 9 volts. I've tried using them with 9-volt batteries. One of them has intermittent connection problems. The other one doesn't work at all. So I was going to go back to the original stock AA setup. So I bought this to do that. And I'll make that work. I'll make that fit in there. And go back to the original stock configuration. And see if I can't get at least one of these microphones to work. If it does, I'll get another one of these and try it on the other microphone. I've heard of people modifying these to run on higher voltages, but I want to just take them back to the stock configuration. Next is this item from eBay. It arrived media mail, so it must be some kind of AV media. Let's check it out. Okay, we have a package of 10 blank DAT tapes. They're Quantegy brand Professional Studio Series R34 tapes. I have 2 DAT recorders, so maybe it's time to do DAT video. I ordered this one a while back via Amazon Prime, but I haven't opened it yet. I think I know what's inside, and I'll explain why I got it. Okay, this one's been a long time coming. So we'll see what we got here. Bubble packing is always fun. Okay, these are cable management channels that were on sale. I believe it was a lightning deal. I do have some issues with some ugly cabling in my living room, and this should help sort that out. These last 2 packages I ordered just 2 days ago and they arrived. Amazon Prime, 2-day free shipping. Let's start with the one in the envelope. This is an Urceri light meter. This is not an expensive light meter, but I wanted something to measure the light intensity of the lights I use in my videos. And I wanted something with peak hold capability, and this has that. So I'll save the unboxing and demonstration of this for a future video. This is something I've been wanting for a while. Does everybody like popping these as much as I do? Oh, this is totally unrelated to audio video. This is a fuel line kit for my tiller. So I guess I'll do some gardening. And this is a TackLife LED work light. This should have about the same intensity as a halogen work light, but at a much lower wattage. I'll check it out and measure the intensity with my Urceri light meter in an upcoming video. So that's it for this video, just opening some new toys. I don't know if cable management is something you want to see me mess with on a ThriftyAV video, but if you do, let me know. I'll go ahead and run the camera while I'm doing it. I'm definitely going to work on my PZM microphone and install this new battery holder into it and see if I can get it going again. This will be an unboxing. I might have to do this unboxing with this unboxing. Look for that coming up. I don't know about fixing my tiller on ThriftyAV, but I do have a personal channel, so that might show up on my personal channel. And thank you to my patrons for supporting my channel. It's your contributions that help keep ThriftyAV going. And remember, stay thrifty, everyone.